Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I am starting painting the Honda CBR 650 2020. As you can see, spoiler alert, the engine is installed, so this will be on the next episode, and I am inviting you all to the spray booth and I will show you the painting process of the CBR 650 2020. Woohoo! And 5 more. Okay, it is time to put the sealer on. Okay guys, so the Pink Pantera, what do you think? Maybe I will leave it that way. Write me in the comments. Of course I will paint it on red, but this pink color, I don't know, but look very nice. Write me in the comments that Honda Pink Pantera. As you can see, firings are painted with sealer to coat. Now I am baking it 15 minutes because sealer that I am using need 15 minutes in 20 degrees. Sorry, I don't know how many Fahrenheit that is. So 15 minutes flash time, and I can put base. So next step will be base to coat. And this is the white sealer, and I put a little bit red here, you know, from my motorcycle. This is the color from Honda, and I put it to the sealer because the sealer is white, but red, when you're painting red, red should be painted on white or pink color, so the coverage is much better. Okay guys, time for update. So everything is painted with red base, 2 coats. This is my idea for the back seat cover. This is a passenger seat cover. It should be all red, but this is my idea to do it, and I think it looks very nice. And now I will start clear coating. Guys, I was able to paint everything, but you will be seeing this on the movie. You saw this on the movie. Fuse blow off and I lost electricity in the chamber, but lucky for me I was painting the last firing, so nothing really happened. So now I will show you how the firings look like. Everything is nice with no runs. I am very happy with that work. So guys, as always, thank you for watching and see you all to the next time. Bye.